Hey guys, Amber here, going to show you a little bit more on RingCentral. When you log into your computer, you will see this icon at the bottom of your computer with this R. When you click on this, this will bring up the browser for your RingCentral application. This is where you'll have all your functionalities for your voicemail and your call log. You can also click on the extension on the top right of your computer. That will open up this mini dialer. Either one will work for making calls, incoming and outgoing. In order to make a call, you will go to your bullhorn and you will hover over the phone number at the top on a candidate's phone number. You will see this little slide out pop up. You will click the phone, and on the dialer here, it will start ringing. Once this phone is answered, it'll show you here some of the functionalities you can use while on a call. You can mute the person and it'll put them so they can't hear you. You can put them on hold. There is some brief hold music. There's the keypad in case you need to use that. You can always go back. You can add a person to the call. In order to transfer a call, you can click on Call Actions, click Transfer, and here's where you'll access your internal contacts by name or phone number. So if you need to transfer it to Sarah Geathers in credentialing, you will type in her name and then click her contact and then click Transfer. This will transfer the call. You need to return to your call. Up here it'll show you your current call. You can click on it and resume the call from there. One thing to note when making a call, when you hover over the number and click the call, it automatically starts ringing to the extension. You do not have to click a button in order for it to answer. It is an automatic dial. Within the web application, this is where you can see all of your current voicemails. It will pop up with a new icon when you have one every single time. I will also show you how to get your voicemail into your email. So you have your call history here, all calls, missed calls, and all of your voicemails here as well. In order to set up your voicemail, you will go to service.ringcentral.com. Once you are here, you will go to single sign-on, type in your email, remember email, submit, and this will log you into the browser of RingCentral. This is where you'll go to set up your voicemail. So once you click voicemail, your automatic greeting will pop up. This is what it will default to with your name, the language. If you want to customize it, you will click the drop down and click custom. You will enter maybe your cell phone number or another number beside your work number here, and it will call you to record your custom voicemail. You can also record your voicemail by clicking computer microphone and go to this red record and record your voicemail here. Then you can play it back to see if you like the voicemail, and then you can choose that and click done. In order to get that voicemail pop up as an email notification, you will go to Settings on the top. You will come over to the left-hand side, go to Notifications. Then you will click on Message Notifications. Here it will show you how you would like each of your notifications received. you will click here, voicemail messages by email, custom notifications, make sure it is on advanced settings. So advanced settings, custom notifications, make sure include attachment with email and mark message as read once it emailed. Both are clicked. Send notifications to, and you can include your email here. If you have an assistant or someone else that you would like to receive your voicemails, you can type in their email address. You would just add a comma and their email address as well. This would be good in case you're out of the office. Then you would click done and save. Some other functions to note in the RingCentral application, you click on it here at the bottom. It opens up this application. If you go down on your left-hand side here to settings, this is where you can customize some of your preferences for your settings. On this one we have notifications and sounds. You can choose the right kind of sound for incoming calls, direct messages, email notifications, all sorts of controls here. If you go down to phone, click on phone. This is where your caller ID will default to your current number. Make sure that this is always your work number. It always will bring up the emergency address as our office location. Here is where you can do call forwarding. So if you go to the edit and you want to forward this either to your cell phone or to your assistant or your leader, maybe while you are out of the office, you would just go here and simply add phone, select which type in the phone number, and then you'd want to make sure that it is toggled on once you're going out of the office, and click save. Therefore, your incoming phone calls will now ring to the phone number you have selected. This is another location. You can also edit your voicemail here under call forwarding. Click edit and select the custom feature here. For purposes of RingCentral, we will not be using the video button for now or the message button. Mainly focus on the phone here. Your contacts list will list all internal contacts within CHG and your settings.